This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Access to the rear of the headlights is very limited, and for the inexperienced home mechanic, it may be well easier to remove the headlight completely. To remove the headlights, it will be necessary to remove the front bumper cover. First, disconnect the battery negative cable from the terminal. Slide the battery cover in a direction of the arrows, then lift it off to gain access to the negative battery terminal. Loosen the clamp nut, then disconnect the battery negative cable from the terminal. Remove the two upper screws securing the radiator grille to the front crossmember, then lift the grille upwards from the lower clips. The release lever must now be disconnected. To do this, use a screwdriver to open the inner legs of the lever and disconnect it from the pivot on the latch. Remove the radiator grille. Unscrew the front bumper upper center mounting bolts. From under the bumper, remove the 3 quick fastening screws. Working on each side at a time, remove the 3 screws securing the inner fender liners to the front bumper. Release the ends of the front bumper from the guides on each side and withdraw it from the front of the car. This step is easiest with the help of an assistant. Disconnect the wiring from the fog lamps, ambient temperature sensor, or accessory components. Remove the plastic reinforcement strip by unscrewing the mounting bolts. Mark the 3 headlight unit mounting bolts in relation to the crossmember in order to maintain the identical beam adjustment. Using a screwdriver, pry out the protective cover concealing the innermost mounting bolt, then unscrew and remove the 4 mounting bolts. Slide the headlight unit forwards, disconnect the electrical connector, and withdraw it from the front of the car. Low beam replacement. Remove the round cover from the rear of the headlight unit. Twist the bulb holder counterclockwise and remove it from the rear of the headlight. Pull the bulb directly from the bulb holder, noting how it is oriented. Again, do not touch the glass with your fingers. If the glass is accidentally touched, clean it with rubbing alcohol. Install the new bulb in the correct orientation to the bulb holder. Install the bulb holder into the headlight and twist it clockwise until secure. Reinstall the round cover securely. High beam replacement. Remove the triangular plastic cover from the rear of the headlight unit. Twist the bulb holder counterclockwise and remove it from the rear of the headlight. Pull the bulb directly from the bulb holder, noting how it is oriented. If the bulb is to be reused, do not touch the glass with your fingers. If the glass is accidentally touched, Clean it with rubbing alcohol. Install the new bulb in the correct orientation to the bulb holder, taking care not to touch the glass. Reinstall the triangular plastic cover. Reinstall the headlight unit, first connecting the electrical connector, then sliding it into position. Insert the headlight unit mounting bolts. If marks have been drawn to aid the alignment, align the headlight accordingly. Ensure that the gaps between the headlight and the surrounding bodywork are even. Tighten the headlight mounting bolts securely. Reinstall the plastic reinforcement strip and securely tighten the mounting bolts. Guide the bumper cover into position and reinstall the fog lamp bulb holders into the cover, twisting them clockwise until secure. Install the bumper cover evenly and reattach the ends securely. Use an assistant's help if necessary. On each side, reinstall 3 screws to secure the inner fender liners to the front bumper. Reinstall 3 quick fastening screws on the underside of the bumper. Reinstall the front bumper upper center mounting bolts. Reinstall the radiator grille onto the lower clips and reconnect the release lever. Reinstall the 2 radiator grille upper screws and tighten them securely. Connect the battery negative cable to the terminal and tighten the nut securely.